Good morning, parents and College Park scholars. Welcome to Miss T. Powell's classroom. Office hours are on the shelf between 1:50 p.m. and 2:50 p.m. That's when I'm available. These other icons or other things that I am touching, these are clickable items. First item I'm going to talk about is the class link. Here you will find all of the Fulton County Schools learning resources and learning tools. Students who need to get into their iRead program, the iReady program, the testing programs, all will be located right here in ClassLink. Second item that I'm going to touch is this radio. If you need to speak with me, you have any questions, you have any concerns, this radio, if you click it, will link directly to my email. Next item I'm going to touch is the schedule located right here. Within this schedule is all of the sessions for EIP as well as availability for other grade levels and times. Next, I'm going to speak about this YouTube poster. This YouTube poster is linked directly to, you guessed it right, College Park Kinder Crew. These resources for all the kindergarten teachers located here at College Park Elementary. Lastly, let me talk to you about this beautiful young lady sitting right here. I know she's cute. Thank you. This is Miss Powell. This is my Bitmoji. If you click on me, you will find out a little bit more about me, the likes, the loves, and the sincere concern that I have for the students that I work with on a daily basis. Once again, welcome to my page. I'm glad you stopped by, and I hope that I can be of assistance to you. I look forward to meeting you this year. Have a great day.